I want to know if you know what a white dot is on your tooth enamel. It's not a joke. Right, folks. A white spot on your tooth enamel can be the beginning of a cavity. Let's find out how to solve this without going to the dentist. Watch this video with me until the end, because I'm going to give you a killer tip, okay? I am Dr. Anamaria Ceverini, and you're on Dr. Anamaria's Tips. Well, folks, this video is pretty quick, but you're really going to like it. You who tend to evaluate yourself a lot, when you brush your teeth, you noticed a whitish spot on your tooth that wasn't there 2 or 3 weeks ago. It could be that you've slipped up on your hygiene. That's true. So the tooth is signaling that there was a formation, an attempt of a cavity attack on your enamel. But fortunately, the enamel is very hard, right? And that attack was severe. And the enamel didn't get damaged. Still, if you don't take care, that white spot on the surface of your enamel can progress and turn into a brown spot. All good. So let's find out how to overcome that white spot on your teeth. Isn't it cute? It starts like this. It's the first stage of a cavity, okay? Well, first take a look, right? In your life, what has changed in the last few weeks? It could be that you've been using more sugar. You might have changed your toothpaste, also changed the way you brush. It could be that you've been brushing less anyway. Your life has changed and suddenly that spot appeared. So we need to reassess. What was the maneuver you were doing before to take care of yourself? And now it's not there anymore. First and foremost, self-assessment. But second point, excessive brushing, good in that area. That will help you a lot. Be careful not to wear down your tooth by trying too hard to remove that. In general, thorough and proper brushing with good toothpaste already helps to stabilize this cavity process. We don't need to go to the dentist or drill the tooth to get rid of that white spot. You can stabilize it yourself. At times, when you reach the maximum of brushing, everything perfectly done, that white spot disappears. Cool. It looks more like a small scar on the enamel, which alerts you that there was an attempt at a cavity invasion. Now, if you're more of a naturalist, like me, and you'd like to get rid of that cavity in another way, it's worth it to use tea tree essential oil. All good. For those who don't know what tea tree oil is, there's a huge playlist of the benefits of tea tree oil. It goes from improving hygiene to getting rid of cavity bacteria to eliminating gingivitis bacteria. We have several ways to use tea tree oil to your benefit. But in this case, tea tree oil will work better than anything else because it is incredibly effective at killing cavity bacteria. So the use is in brushing and topical application. You can use tea tree toothpaste, it's a vegan cream, and you can also buy, folks, the concentrated tea tree essential oil. You'll use just 2 drops to brush your whole mouth. All good. For those who don't know the formulation, I'll repeat it here. Here's the thing, 2 drops of tea tree oil for 100 ml of water, a glass of water. Like tea tree oil, folks, it's an oil, it doesn't dissolve in water. We end up asking the patient to add a pinch of salt to improve the softness, or a pinch of baking soda that you have at home in the form of a leavening agent anyway, because it improves the stability of the oil. It dissociates and you can brush your teeth. We're going to get rid of that bacteria today. You take a cotton ball, dip it in that little solution and put a drop of tea tree oil on it. Don't swallow, okay everyone? Don't swallow this. You go there, find the cavity causing bacteria, locate it, point it out, and place that cotton ball there for a minute. Then you spit it out, brush your teeth, and do this for a week. But do you want to know, in the first instance, the attack is already deadly for the cavity, but you need to repeat this until that cavity-causing lesion is gone, all right? And do this at all points. But you need to repeat this until that cavity-causing lesion is gone, all right? Anna, if I have another cavity in my mouth, can I do this? Not only can you, but you should. I'm just talking about the white spot on the enamel right now, but you can use tea tree oil for any cavity lesion. I'll talk in the next video, other lesions for you to identify. If you don't know anything about tea tree oil, but want to find out what else you can do with this type of oil, check out my playlist where I talk all about it. And you're going to find amazing solutions that you never even imagined with this tea tree oil. And for those of you who don't know where to buy it, you can check out my online store on Amazon, right? We have the whole line here, so you don't have to search in several places. You'll find it down there, okay? A big kiss for you all. See you next time.